Welcome to the design guide for the new HTML Flex Rotator template. This is a template where you can set the height and width of the container to be any size and shape you like. Right now it's 300 by 250, but if you come down here to step 4 settings, you'll see your first two options are to change the container width and height. You could set this to be any standard size you want, like a 728 by 90, 160 by 600, 300 by 600, etc. Once you've set the container width and height, you simply come back here to step 1 and upload either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 or 7 different images. And depending on the number of images you want to rotate through, right now this ad has 4 different images. You could set this to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 different rotating images. And you just upload into each container a JPEG, PNG, or GIF that is whatever height and width you've set this container to be. So once you have your imagery in here and ready, step 2 colors has nothing in here. There's nothing color configurable on this ad. Step 3 allows you to assign a click-through to each of your images, 1 through 7. Each image can go to the same or a different click-through URL. And the hit areas are always going to be the same height and width as you've set down here in step 4 settings. And finally here in your settings, again, you have your container width and height. You have the total number of images you want to use, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, and it'll rotate through those automatically. The next, you can set how long each image stays on screen. Right now, each image will stay on for 4 seconds. And the next is the fade in duration, meaning on each image, and we'll go ahead and preview this. Each image is going to rotate through every 4 seconds, and currently it takes 1 second for that image to fade in. By increasing the fade in time, it increases sort of the transition time and effect there. And then finally, you've got your replay quantity. How often do you want this ad to automatically cycle through each image? Right now it's set to 1, meaning it'll run through all images, 4 in this case, and end up on the final image. If you wanted it to run through the whole sequence twice, it'll run through it twice, and it'll always end up on the final image that you've set here in step 1 media. So a very simple ad to build. As always, if you have questions, call us at 866-467-2289.